come to school too. School too, eh.
Is your daddy?
Oh. Eh? I thought your daddy would have gone out by now.
He hasn't gone yet. I don't know what he's still waiting for, but he'll soon leave.
Should I wait or should I go?
What? Funke?
Jimmy!
Mommy. Yes, sir. Your mother has gone out.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she has gone out.
What? Funke? I hear me to meet me. Jesus is Lord. Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for. Funke, you will move out of this house.
Carol! Yes, my bro. Just get ready. Okay. We are going out now. I said we are going out, Abby. Yeah. This shoe is okay. Yeah, okay. Go and keep my brush. Go and keep my brush inside. Let's go. Once we are going out to see Okeke. Let's go like this. All your mates have gotten married. You are still at home.
I need to change.
Let's go. What? You should just come back from abroad. Let's go.
You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's why.
School too, naga we day.